Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to get NFL Sunday Ticket student discount. So just head over to db.youtube.com/learn/NFL Sunday Ticket. From there, click on this choose a plan. And then this will direct you to this one. So you can also see in here some formats with DJ Maps as well as a lot more. But in here you can see this. So you can get this right here if you want. And you can also get this one if you want to. So for example, let's choose this NFL Sunday ticket only and click on just get it now. Now if come in there, just wait for this to finish the loading process and then it will show these offers. So if you're based on United States or any more that is actually supporting NFL, then you can actually buy that particular Sunday ticket. Now you can just from in there you can be redirected to the share ID in order to verify your student status. Then from there you can just pay it. So that's how you get NFL Sunday ticket student discount. Hope we helped.